Just a quick video tonight. I have a bit of an experiment for you. I want you to take that high-pitched sound that you hear at the end of the Interference 1 video, the one that's coming out of Jimmy's speaker really, really fast. I want you to load it into your favorite audio editing software. If it's Windows Sound Recorder or Windows Movie Maker, whatever you can use to edit the sound with. I want you to take the sound, isolate just that little bit, and then slow it down. I want you to slow it down again. And then I want you to slow it down one more time. You know what you're going to end up with? Yeah, you're hearing it. Kind of sounds like a heartbeat to me. Good night.